Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Air for Lite available on Android devices? So I already installed the application what SOUNDPEATS offer for the earbuds. If you don't know how to install and set up it, you can check a video at this channel. Now click on it, and as you can see I just add it. Also, if you don't know how to add it, you can check another video at this channel. So yes, my short answer is it's available for your Android phone. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.